Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something sweet, creamy, and absolutely irresistible, strawberry cream croissants. These croissants are crispy and buttery on the outside, and inside they're filled with fresh strawberries and soft whipped cream. They look like they came straight from a French bakery, but the best part is, they're super easy to make at home. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Croissants, store-bought or homemade, fresh strawberries, whipping cream, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, powdered sugar for decoration optional. Simple ingredients, but the result is delicious and beautiful. First, wash your fresh strawberries. Remove the green tops and slice them into thin pieces. These juicy strawberries will add a fresh and fruity flavor to the croissants. Set them aside while we prepare the cream. In a large bowl, pour the cold whipping cream. Add powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Now whip the mixture until it becomes light, fluffy, and creamy. This homemade whipped cream is soft, sweet, and perfect for filling pastries. Take your croissants and carefully slice them in half, but not all the way through. We want to create a little pocket inside the croissant for the filling. This will help hold the cream and strawberries perfectly. Now fill the croissants with the fresh whipped cream. You can use a spoon or a piping bag to make it look extra beautiful. Spread the cream evenly inside the croissant. Next, place the strawberry slices on top of the cream. Make sure the croissant is nicely filled with fresh fruit and creamy goodness. The combination of buttery pastry, sweet cream, and fresh strawberries is simply amazing. For the final touch, sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top. This gives the croissants a beautiful bakery-style look. And just like that, your strawberry cream croissants are ready. Serve them fresh with a cup of coffee or tea. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, dessert, or a sweet afternoon treat. One bite and you'll taste buttery pastry, fluffy cream, and juicy strawberries all together. Absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious recipes. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer chocolate croissants or strawberry croissants? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.